Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to put your wireless charger on your Polaris Ranger. First we want to start off with the mounting plate. We're going to mount your base plate to the mounting plate using the socket cap screws that are supplied. Now we can mount your base plate to the Ranger. Before you install your plate on the dash, you will need to drill a hole in this bottom section. Now you can take your 4 Phillips head self-tapping screws and thread into your dashboard. Your phone charger will come with a wiring harness. You just simply take and push it through the grommet in the firewall under the hood and pull it up. You may want to cut a notch in your cup holder bracket to clear the wire. Your Ranger comes equipped with a pulse bar under the hood. What we'll do to connect to it, we will cut the terminals off of your wiring harness and we will attach the pulse bar plug to your wiring harness with the 2 butt connectors supplied. Now that you got your wires crimped onto your pulse bar plug, you just plug it into your pulse bar, tidy up your wires nice and neat, and you're ready to ride.